If you've never done it before, the class is simple.
What helped me here was doing the hands-on. I can read anything, that's great, but I learned by doing.
This additional training makes me much more confident, not only in this training, but also in the CPR and AED training that I already received.
It would help if everyone had one of these kits prior to my arrival on the scene.
Anybody walking right off the street could understand it. It is something that everybody should have the basic knowledge.
What's changed after I attended this class is that I now know how to use the products.
I think you should get it to be prepared at all times because you never know what could happen.
After I came to this event, I was more confident. I also feel that my team was more confident. I brought 5 of my employees with me today.
Because I live out in the country, and if my daughter or wife got injured, now I can give them the level of care that they need until EMS shows up.
Being prepared as a mom helps me keep her safer.
I feel very confident that I could make a difference. I would definitely step up, but I wouldn't hesitate.
There's no reason not to take it.
I feel absolutely 100% more confident now than before.